Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a triangle A, and now we need to draw an enlargement of a scale factor of 3/2, which is actually the same as 1.5. So this is what Mr. Tan will do. As I look at this triangle A, I will look at this. This one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at the side, right, I will actually have 6 times 3/2. That will give me the length of 9. So later on, at some point in time here, which I'm going to start drawing now, I am going to draw the enlarged version of the triangle with 9 cm, 9 squares. So I will start with here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, good. Next, this is a diagonal, meaning that I'm going to make use of a red color to denote one diagonal between two squares. Two diagonal. Okay, so here is 2. Diagonal, and the diagonals are special. Okay, the diagonal is between two squares, so I'll have 2 times 3/2 equals to 3 diagonals. And this is important because now when I try to draw it over here, take note, then I will be able to have 1 diagonal, 2 diagonal, 3 diagonal, and the diagonal for this is between two squares. Okay, and the last side, this is again a diagonal, but you do notice that I have 4 diagonals, and this diagonal is between 1 square. Okay, the other diagonal is between 2 squares. This is 1 square. So with that in mind, 4 times 3/2, that will give me 6 diagonals. And therefore, with my ruler, you would then be able to see that it fits nicely. There are indeed 6 diagonals in this green color line. With that, I've completed drawing the enlargement of part A. Let's move on to part B, where we are then given that triangle P is a reduction. Reduction, okay, means this triangle P, the new triangle, is going to be smaller And indeed, they tell me the longest side of P is 2.4 cm. What is the scale factor? Looking back at the triangle A, do take note, this is the longest side. Okay, 6 cm. And so, to find scale factor, we usually divide by the original image, original length. So this one will be the image length. So in this case here, then I will have 2.4 divided by 6 to give me the final answer, 2/5. And we are done with this question. Let's move on to the next question.